Hello guys, I'm going to show you guys how to download videos on TikTok without the watermark. So let's get into it. So I'm going to open the TikTok app. This is going to open this my page. So I wish to download this particular video, so I'm going to click on it. And then let me pause the video. And then I'm going to click on these three dots. This is going to open. I'm going to slide. I'm going to see here copy link. I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm going to leave this app, and you are going to go to any browser of your choice. So I'm going to look for Chrome. I'm going to go for Chrome. So here I'm going to type Snaptic. Okay, this is already it, Snaptic. It's going to open. I'm going to take its first folder. I'm going to open it, and this is going to pop up. So you can see here, paste TikTok line here, link here, paste TikTok link here. So I'm going to paste the link I just copied. I'm going to paste the link here, and then I'm going to tap on download. So here you're going to see download and download HD. So if you want your video to come out very well, you have to take download HD. So I'm going to take download HD. Well, this happens. So you can see this pops, or this is going to pop up. It's going to show you the megabytes and everything. So you're going to click on download. So now it's downloading. As you can see, it's downloading. So it's downloading, guys. So it's already done downloading. So now you're going to say open in. So I'm going to click open in. So yes, open to this page. I'm going to send it to my MTN number. So this is a video. I'm going to click on send. So there we go. The video already been sent to my MTN number. So I'm going to open it and show you guys. So this is the video. Let me open it, guys, and show you guys the video. Okay, let's go. So you guys can see this is the video. This is the video. So let me click and see. So you guys can see there's no watermark, and you can see it's full HD. You can see the video came out the same, like the quality is high, everything is high. So this is how to download your video on TikTok without watermark. So stay tuned. Bye.